Thanks, John, and thank you all for being here. I've loved hearing the conversations around how to move the manufacturing industry forward from supply chain resiliency to democratizing digital manufacturing. And to echo John, I think many of the companies across this hall and the different speakers, both yesterday and planned for today, have different ideas on how we can overcome these challenges. And at Tulip, we believe that the solution is fundamentally human. So with that, I'd like to roll a short video.
You don't spend your time behind a desk. You're on site, on the floor, in the field, in the warehouse, in the lab. And while your operations might be at the cutting edge now, if we've learned anything recently, it's that there's always another challenge just around the corner. To respond to real-time challenges, you need systems designed for you. Tulip unlocks a new system for operations with native industrial IoT and edge connectivity, systems integrations, and built-in analytics. Tulip fits right in with your operations, no matter how big or small. It's the only no-code platform purpose-built for frontline operations, so the people closest to your production can adapt to challenges. Because when you need to make a change, your team on the front line knows best. Meet the Frontline Operations Platform, the only way to run your operations that's truly disruption-proof.
So I think that there's been some history of prioritizing automation and top-down monolithic technologies over flexible, human-driven solutions. And this has left us as an industry with a variety of Band-Aid solutions that our teams use to try to fill that gap. Combinations of paper, Excel, stopwatches, and other systems of record that they kind of force fit these more adaptable tools to run their operations. It's an approach that is deterring new talent from entering manufacturing and contributing to manufacturers' image problem and labor challenges. And at Tulip, we're suggesting a more agile, flexible, and human-centric approach. We think that these flexible systems can be more resilient, more adaptable, and ease of use and management can accelerate innovation by the people that are leading these operations from the front. It's people ultimately who will help us define the future of manufacturing, and the people on the front line are most capable of defining that future. So what is Tulip? Tulip's frontline operations platform is no code. We're built for people whose expertise isn't necessarily IT or software engineering, but they're experts in their domains. We're edge-ready, aware of the physical environments, devices, machines that are necessary to run an operation, and device-agnostic. We run across tablets, phones, computers, machines, and wearables. And we're a platform, so we can offer right-sized solutions that are both globally extensible and cloud-native, but can also fit smaller use cases. And this ensures that your team can solve the problems on their lines and plants and share those best practices both globally with other plants or across departments, supporting a variety of use cases, but never more than is needed, avoiding that bloat, and infinitely adaptable to new circumstances, something that I'm sure everyone's familiar with over the last couple of years. Democratization is the action of making something accessible to everyone, and we're proud to be supporting companies and their teams on the front line to access the power of smart manufacturing. You could visit the Tulip booth up front, 401, or request a demo at tulip.co to learn more.